Are you ready to elevate your Ielts speaking score? Phrasal verbs are essential for sounding natural in English. In this video, we'll explain how to use them effectively. Phrasal verbs combine a verb and a preposition for unique meanings. For instance, give up means to quit something. Using them in speaking can impress your examiner. Using them can impress your examiner. Let's explore how to incorporate them step by step. First, choose everyday topics you might encounter, like hobbies. Think of a phrasal verb related to your hobby. For example, if you enjoy reading, consider pick up. Next, form sentences using the chosen phrasal verb. You could say, I picked up reading last year. Now, practice this with various phrasal verbs. Make a list of 10 phrasal verbs and their meanings. Try to use them in conversations daily. For instance, instead of stop, you can say give up. Another common verb is bring up, like discussing topics. You could say, I brought up an interesting topic. This makes your speech sound more fluent and dynamic. Phrasal verbs bring life to your sentences and show fluency. Examiners are keen to hear natural, confident speech. Using a variety of phrases will strengthen your performance. Summarize what you've learned about phrasal verbs today. They add depth and interest to your English conversations. Incorporate them into practice to see results. Ready to take your English to the next level? Join our Transform Academy course. Click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and practicing with us.